In this video, I'll be guiding you guys on how to fix Tesla camera not working. So first, you guys will need to guide yourself onto the website tesla.com/ownersmanual, and then you will need to select the car that you own. In this case, I could just go ahead and choose Model X. Once you're on the page that you're redirected to, choose the language, and then you'll be on this Owner's Manual page. And here you need to click on the Overview drop-down and then click on the Cameras option. Here, you'll have all the information you need to know about Tesla cameras. For example, where they're located, information on how to work with them, and things to avoid while using them. And if any of the information stated here is not helpful, I do have some other tips that might be of help to you. First of them being, check if the camera lens is dirty or obstructed. Use a soft, lint-free cloth to clean it. Avoid using harsh chemicals. The second one is perform a soft reset. While sitting in the car, press and hold both scroll wheel on the steering wheel until the screen turns off and the Tesla logo reappears. Wait for the system to reboot. This may take a few minutes. The third option is check for software updates. Because outdated software can cause glitches, so go to the controls and then onto software menu and check for updates and install if any available. The fourth one is inspect for physical damage. Look for visible damage to the camera or surrounding area. If the camera is loose or cracked, it might require professional repair. And lastly, adjust camera calibration. If the camera is not detecting objects properly, recalibration might help. Go to Controls, Service, Camera Calibration, and follow the prompts. Alright guys, that'll be it for this video. I hope it helps you guys out, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.